Good evening, Ms. Reyes. This is week 7, part C assessment video. The Berry VMI is a nonverbal assessment that helps assess the extent to which individuals can integrate their visual and motor abilities. You use the Berry VMI with individuals of diverse environmental, educational, and linguistic backgrounds. Some of the key features include non-threatening format, culture-free items, standard scores for ages 2 to 100 years old or adults. It's time efficient. There's 2 types of tests, the full and the short form. Supplemental visual perceptual and motor coordination tests. They develop stepping stones for parents' checklists, allowing early intervention of delays in gross, fine, and visual motor development from birth to 6 years old. It can be efficiently used for the following purposes. It can identify individuals who are having visual motor difficulties to help diagnose visual motor deficits, to make referrals to specific professionals or services, to test individual learning levels in educational programs, and to monitor the progress of individuals with known visual motor or developmental difficulties. And next is the test of visual perceptual skills, 4th edition, the TVPS4. The TVPS4 is the latest update of the Standard Comprehensive Assessment of Visual Analysis and Processing Skills. The TVPS is used by many professionals, including occupational therapists, learning specialists, optometrists, and school psychologists. The TVPS4 remains an easy-to-use assessment for determining visual perceptual strength and weaknesses. Norms are based on a national representative sample. Additional lower-level items were added to address the needs for younger or more impaired individuals, and norms now extend through the age of 21, making TVPS4 useful for a wide range of examinees. The TVPS4 utilizes black and white line drawing, bound in a convenient easel-style booklet. The items are still presented in a multiple choice format, requiring only minimal verbal or motor responses. This format is ideal for use with individuals who have impairments in motor, speech, neurological, or cognitive functions. The administration and the scoring for the TVPS is individually administered. It's untimed and takes about 25 minutes to complete. Scoring is quick and uncomplicated. Raw scores are reported as scaled scores and percentage ranks for each student, and then the overall score, total score, is reported as a standard score and percentile rank. Age equivalents are also provided for the subtests and overall scores. Part 2 of this Part C assessment video was kind of going over the print tool assessment. The print tool assessment is a complete evaluation that includes student and school information, a review of school papers, and careful observation of the child's physical approach and fine motor skills. It's administered individually. The print tool evaluates capitals, numbers, lowercase letters, and 7 specific handwriting components, which include memory, orientation, placement, size, start, sequence, and word spacing. When scored, the evaluation form shows exactly which letters and or numbers and components are causing difficulty. Based on this information, remediation is targeted and specific. Children get precisely the materials and strategies they need to remediate their specific difficulties. And what's nice about this is, unlike other handwriting assessments, the print tool is designed to be administered by teachers and or other school personnel, and remediation strategies for the teacher, caregiver, and students are included in the assessment. Kind of going over the population, it's start by telling the child they are writing capital letters and that all their letters need to be the same size, the smiley face on the paper. If the child does not write the letter correctly, tell them to stop, and the therapist marks their paper before moving on to the next letter. Elementary school age kids with a developmental delay in fine motors can definitely use this assessment tool. You would start by prepping the area by making sure the chair and tables are correctly height and that there is good lighting and a nice quiet space. Materials you would need: a pencil in the worksheet. Definitely give them breaks as needed. And if the child is right-handed, you sit on the right side of the child. And if left-handed, the therapist would on the left side of the child. Scoring criteria kind of goes over 8 essential handwriting components assessed, which once again are memory, orientation, placement, size, start, sequence, control, and spacing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video for part C, and I will be uploading part D soon. Thank you.